right, good evening guys. This is James Travel Eats checking in on 11:59 p.m. May 28th, Thursday, going into, of course, Friday, but it is 1 minute till midnight. We are going and recording, not live. I always like to say live, but I'm not. It's always recorded. I'm uploading it within a few hours. But anyway, there it is right there, the proof right there. I'm gonna go ahead and find another place to eat here very shortly and make it a surprise here. I'm gonna keep the camera rolling as I go down this alley, not this alley, this little side street. Hopefully this place is open and we can get ourselves a nice, good meal here at this time, even though it's kind of late. But again, now jet lag, what can I tell you? When you're on jet lag, when you're on another time zone, you live on some other part of the planet, it's the middle of the Pacific Ocean like Hawaii, and you jump to the other side, well, your time zone, your time clock's going to be all over the place. So it's all good. We've made our adjustments. We've had a very, very good trip. I've liked what I've done so far. I've liked all the videos that I put up here in New York. It's been a very, very time and very fun. So again, now I remind everybody who's tuning into my video to like and subscribe, comment below, because, you know, I like to find good food, think alike, like everyone does. And here we are at the Hilton Garden Inn. So I see a place across the street here. As you can see, people are checking into their rooms. We've got an Italian restaurant and bar. But what I see across the street is something very, very, and it looks like it's open. It looks like it's called Pizza Photo. So Pizza Photo. All right, I'll be right back as soon as I get across the street. But okay, here it is, guys. We are right in front of it right there, man. Pizza Photo. So I figured I'd come to another pizza joint at a different time. As you can see, Pizza Photo's got 30 different slices. Open 10:30 a.m. to 2 a.m. We got a couple of guys that are working in here that are cleaning up. So we're gonna go ahead and check this place out, guys. Look at the outside. You got Hilton Garden Inn across the street. Of course, I'll link the address and everything in the description below once everything is uploaded. Anyway, we should be up and rolling. Let's get in here to the light so I can see. We are action camera rolling. Here, James Travel Eats has entered Pizza Photo. Here it is, right here. Nice, a lot of light in here. You got all your condiments right there. ATM machine. Looks like they have gluten-free, man. So if anybody wants gluten-free pizza, come over here to Pizza Photo. All right, please do not touch the glass. And here we go. We got Hawaiian pineapple. We got chicken. We got, it's like another with broccoli. It's like olives. It's like you get Margherita right there, man. Margherita. You got a pepperoni. You got a cheese. Looking good there, guys. Slices on here go from $4.50. Well, I'm sorry. I don't know if that's the price. Hi, how you doing? So how much is each slice?
Cheese for the $3 and toppings for $50 plus tax.
Okay, so slices 3 and then normal toppings are $4.50. Okay, and I can get a drink here too. All right, so here's the drinks here. We've got water, soda, juice, Sprite. All right, very good. You know what? I think I'm gonna get a Sprite. I haven't had one of these in a while. Lemon lime Sprite soda. Okay, I know what I'm gonna get. I'm gonna get a pepperoni, and I'm gonna get a, is that Margherita? And a Margherita. So 2, yeah. Okay, very good. There's the price, guys. Look at that. Slice $4.50, Margherita $4.50, and a bottle of Sprite there. Total is gonna be $13.83. All right, very good. I'll be right back. Cut. Okay, as you can see there, he's putting those slices there in the oven. He's heating them up for me. Another good look here, guys, of all the pizzas that they have here. At this time, it is midnight now. So it's going to be like the after bar crowds, the club crowds going to come in here if they're hungry. All right, you got your condiments over here as well. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to grab some we're going to grab a little spicy pepper. And yeah, I just want some spicy pepper. I don't want any extra cheese or anything. All right, guys, you know what? Let's go over right here. All right, here we go. We're going to have a seat right here. Here's the seating right here in the front. They've got other in the area where I walked in. All right, I'll be right back to feature those 2 slices here at Pizza Photo. See you soon. Okay, guys, we're back. These are fresh out of the oven. 2 slices of pizza from Pizza Photo here in New York City. James Travel Eats is back. We've got our Sprite lemon lime. Instead of water this time, we've got a soda. It's okay, you know, you get soda every now and again. Don't want too much sugar in my diet, but it's okay. We're here, guys. So look at that pizza right there. You know what I'm gonna do, right? Is I'm gonna make sure the undercarriage is there. I'm gonna check on the crisp, the quality ingredients, right? And I'm gonna add some spicy pepper to it. Let's go ahead and sprinkle some of that on there. So I like that on my pepperoni. Alright, okay. Go ahead and just Sprite up here. I can do that for you guys while the camera rolling. There we go, it's open. Nice. Nice refreshing lime Sprite. There we go. Oh, that's good. Oh, I like that. I love refreshing Sprite lemon lime soda. I think I've always loved that soda. It's always been so good. That's not the feature here, guys. The feature here is the slices of pizza. So I'm not gonna put it on the margherita. I'm gonna put the spicy peppers on the pepperoni. I like to kick up a notch on pepperoni slices. Okay, so let's get a nice, good look at that here. From this angle, forward to back. So I'm gonna go first slice pepperoni, second slice margherita. All right. Another quick little video skit here of the pizza from Pizza Photo. Looking good. And the Sprite. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Here's the first test. Lift. Oh, it's hot. Fresh, man. Lift. And look there. Okay, here we go. Undercarriage. So far, it's looking okay, man. There's no flop to it. Looking good, man. You did a good job with that pizza oven back there. Slice special homemade Pizza Photo. So these are all fresh ingredients here. You've done a good job. Let's see here, man. I'm very curious what's going on here. We're going in. Oh, man. Oh, that's good. Oh, it's good. I like me a good slice of pepperoni pizza, man. This is good. The oils, cheese, it's not overly saucy. It's crisp. Oh boy, here we go. I'm gonna go Barstool style, like Dave Portnoy and crisp and hit the back of it right quick here. Let's see. Okay. We're giving Joe's Pizza a run for their money, man. We don't even have nostalgic pictures on the side in here. All the famous people, man. Just giving Joe's Pizza a run for their money. That is seriously really delicious. Oh my God. Those red pepper flakes have kicked it up a notch. I like the spice kick I've done to it. You can see there's grease on there, man. Coming off, but the grease on a pizza is what you want. Good now. Tomato sauce, not overly saucy. It's crisp on the bottom. Look at that dough, it's fresh. You can tell it's made fresh here. Oh man. Okay, this is a pretty decent score, guys. I'm not saying it's gonna beat Joe's Pizza, but the first couple bites of that, I like me a good slice of pepperoni. They've done a good job here. They've done an excellent job. Oh my God. All right, let's do a little switch turn here. We're going for the margherita. Here we are. First test, margherita slice. Pick up, check for the flop. Oh boy, here we go. Look at that, man. Look at that right there, man. Wow. Those oils on there, man. Look at that special, I don't know if it's a feta. Whatever cheese is on a margherita, guys. You guys can look it up and find out. I'm not a real pizza knowledgeable person as far as ingredients, but I know it's margherita. All right? Here we go. Oh, wow. I'm getting a kick of olive oil on there. Or a different type of oil. Maybe it's that, this cake. Oh, man. Again, that's not overly sauce either. That's crisp and delicious pizza. Oh my gosh. That is got those oils on there, man. Those oil drip. Good, healthy oil. I like that. Wow. Hey, Portnoy style here, man. Get a nice big hit of the crust. Okay. All right, Pizza Photo, man. I feel you. All right. Another delicious slice. Very, very delicious slice. Wow. I'm impressed. Actually impressed. I'm gonna get another hit of this pepperoni here. A little more sauce kick on there, man. I'm gonna get sure about this pizza, guys. I want to be sure about this. Go ahead and hear that Sprite here. Okay. All right, here we go. A good pepperoni slice too, man. Okay, both the slices are amazing. And it's gonna increase the score rating of Pizza Photo. Wow, absolutely amazing. All right, back to the margherita. See that there's that nice tomato sauce on there. All right, let's get a good hit of that. Oh wow. All right, that is a good slice of pizza, and I'm gonna highly recommend anybody staying in this New York Times Square area to look up Pizza Photo. I will link it in the description below. Okay, so anyway, this is part of the video where I remind everybody to like and subscribe, because you know, everybody who that's what everyone does. You go out, get food, you either buy it, cook it at home, or you go outside and you buy it that's pre-made and done by a gourmet chef. And I think the pizza photo, whoever came up with these ingredients here, did an excellent job. Anyway, I'll be right back, guys, to get my final thoughts, score, and ratings. Here, my scale from 1 through 10. I never really give too low of a score. I haven't been to any bad spots. I always choose spots I know are going to be good. So later on, maybe we'll see. Maybe I'll go to the ones that are rated lower, and online I'll check those out and get my ratings. But anyway, I'll be right back to give my final score and rating here at Pizza Photo here in New York City. Good. Okay, here we go, guys. We're checking out from Pizza Photo. I'll give you one last look of the pies here. The slices of amazing here pizza. We have the pepperoni and the Margherita over there, and they have that nice pizza oven back there, man. Very good job, man. And look at that, got pencils in there. Looks like they're for some interesting artwork they've got here at Pizza Photo. All right, let's gonna go outside here. We're gonna do the scoring and point of view here on James Travel Eats. Give another look there inside so you guys can see it. Okay, and we are on. Good. Okay, guys, here is the scoring of Pizza Photo. Right there. Here's going to be the final scoring right now of Pizza Photo. We're going to give 8.7. 8.7. That's a decent rating for Pizza Photo. I'm not saying it was better than Joe's, but it was a very good, high quality pizza you'll get in New York City. So I recommend you guys come over here, man. Check this place out. Pizza Photo. All right, like and subscribe, guys, because everybody who likes food, thinks alike, go out and get there and eat America, eat the world. Go out and just have fun with your lives, guys. You guys again tomorrow or later on, maybe in the next 6, 7, 8 hours. I will be back. Believe me, this is James Travel Eats. Check it out.